Imagine a computer program that can understand and generate human-like text. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence. That's what a large language model, or LLM, does. These models are designed to understand and produce text that is remarkably similar to how humans communicate. It's like a student who has read millions of books and learned to speak fluently in many languages. Imagine having the knowledge of an entire library at your fingertips. LLMs are built on neural networks which are inspired by the human brain. These networks mimic the way our brains process information, making them incredibly powerful. These networks are made up of interconnected nodes that process information. Each node works like a tiny brain cell, contributing to the overall understanding. Transformers are a special type of neural network that excels at understanding the relationships between words in a sentence. They can grasp context and nuance with impressive accuracy. Imagine them as master puzzle solvers, piecing together the meaning of language. They can take a jumble of words and make sense of it, just like solving a complex puzzle. These models learn by being trained on massive datasets of text and code. The more data they are exposed to, the better they become at understanding and generating text. Think of it as feeding the LLM a giant library of information. The more it reads, the more knowledgeable it becomes, just like a human who spends years studying. This allows them to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer questions in an informative way. They can assist in a variety of tasks, making them incredibly versatile tools in the digital age. Training an LLM is like teaching a child to read. We start with simple words and sentences, gradually increasing the complexity. LLMs are trained on massive datasets of text and code. This data is broken down into smaller units called tokens, which can be words or parts of words. Each token is then converted into a vector, which is a series of numbers that represent the token's meaning. This process is called embedding. Through this process, the LLM learns to recognize patterns and relationships in language. It's like learning the grammar and vocabulary of a language, but on a much larger scale. LLMs are already being used in a wide range of applications. One example is Chatbots, which can provide customer service or answer questions. Another application is in summarization, where LLMs can condense large amounts of text into shorter, more manageable chunks. This is especially useful for researchers and students. LLMs can also generate different creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. They can even translate languages with remarkable accuracy. Some popular examples of LLMs include OpenAI's GPT, Google's Palm, and Meta's LLaMA. These models have different strengths and weaknesses, and they are constantly being improved. Section 4. The Art of Talking to Machines, Prompt Engineering. To get the most out of an LLM, it's important to know how to communicate with it effectively. This involves understanding the nuances of language and how the model interprets different inputs. This is where prompt engineering comes in. It's the art and science of crafting inputs that guide the model to produce the best possible outputs. A prompt is simply the text you input into the LLM to get a desired output. Think of it as giving instructions to the model. The clearer and more specific your prompt, the better the results. Ambiguity can lead to unexpected or irrelevant responses. For example, instead of asking "write a poem," you could ask, "write a sonnet about the beauty of the night sky." This provides context and direction. You can also use techniques like few-shot learning, where you provide the LLM with a few examples of the desired output. This method helps in setting a clear expectation. This helps the model understand your intent better, making it more likely to generate the kind of response you're looking for. Effective prompt engineering is crucial for unlocking the full potential of LLMs. By mastering this skill, you can harness the true power of these advanced models. Section 5. The Future of LLMs, a Universe of Possibilities. LLMs are still a relatively new technology, but they have the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. From enhancing our daily interactions to transforming industries, the possibilities are endless. As LLMs continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. These advancements could lead to breakthroughs we haven't even imagined yet. They could be used to personalize education, accelerate scientific discovery, and provide tailored learning experiences for students of all ages, and even create new forms of art. Imagine a world where creativity is enhanced by intelligent machines, pushing the boundaries of what we consider possible. However, it's important to remember that LLMs are tools. They are designed to assist and augment human capabilities, not replace them. Like any tool, they can be used for good or for ill. The ethical implications of their use must be carefully considered. It's up to us to ensure that they are developed and used responsibly. Collaboration between humans and LLMs can lead to a brighter future. The future of LLMs is bright, and it's up to us to shape it wisely. Together, we can unlock a universe of possibilities.